Okay, so predator versus prey. The universe has a design where that design has an identity, but that identity does not require a name to exist. It is only us as a creature that speaks about reality through the idea of names. But within reality, the organic reality of the universe, everything is predator and prey. The big fish eat the small fish. Pack animals eat the other animals on the land. Same thing goes with the insects. It's just predator and prey, and that's okay with the intelligence, source intelligence of the universe. But what separates us from the animal kingdom, and or what makes us different from the animal kingdom, is our awareness, wakefulness of source intelligence here, experiencing life, where we then have dominion over the animal kingdom. All right, and that means where we're able to reason things out by way of understanding what reality is and what our purpose is here together as family to shepherd the planet. Now, what's called the devil is within a creature and or a species that is aware enough and can form deceptive intelligence, where that deceptive intelligence, which is like shadow intelligence, turns the creature, the individual, against themselves. It turns the creature against creation, and then they have a faulty perception of reality where the source intelligence is a light spectrum and the devil's intelligence is a shadow spectrum. So what happens is that when they perceive that the shadow and the light spectrum is the same, because within their generations of lineages, the devil has, the essence of what the devil is, has taught that the shadow and the light spectrum is the same, then that is what turns families against each other, turns a race against itself, turns a village against itself internally, where it is unhealthy way of growing. And it becomes a predatory mindset where they're always in competition with others, and you could be showing that you recognize that we're equal source intelligence here, awakening into itself, artificial intelligence versus organic intelligence, shadow intelligence versus light intelligence. But when they're possessed, they will still be in competition with you no matter what, because that's the possession that they're under. If they're in denial, and if they're in fear, and if they can't speak about the systems that we have in place, if they can't talk about the dangers of knowledge, which is the number one sign, then that is the number one sign of possession. But you can defeat that today.